365. Why is it that still meron pa tayong Google account? Kasi yun yung magiging basis para sa creation ng MS365 account ninyo. So, for those teachers, please, back lang mo. For those teachers that claim more, especially the newly hired teachers, way back on last year, no, September ata to or August, na di sila maka-receive ng emails or di sila maka-send ng email because nag-load sila. And then, di ba, so kami, ICTS, why are you blaming me? Di ba, I already told you, before going to other transactions, please secure first, activate both DepEd accounts, Google and Microsoft 365. That's why there will be some cost of delay when it comes to other transactions outside of DepEd, especially for the loans. So again, please tell our teachers that first, before you will transact to the other agency or to the bank, please secure first DepEd accounts, both Google and Microsoft 365, para hindi po tayo magkaroon ng problema. Okay? Next, for the clarification of DepEd accounts, ito po yung DepEd account po natin. For the Google, meron lang po tayong isang tenant that is at deped.gov.ph. For the Microsoft 365, kailangan po ninyong dalawang tenant. That is at deped.gov.ph and as well as at garaga.deped.gov.ph. Now, there's a note there. The purpose of having at garaga.deped.gov.ph is to identify that you are associated with Caraga region. Diba? And then, this will be used also for the online platform if kayo teacher or school head para magkaroon kayo ng communication sa mga students, gagamitin nyo yung at Caraga. That's why yung NSCA natin, gumagamit yung learners natin na at garaga.deped.gov.ph. So meaning, kung meron kayong Microsoft 365 na online classroom or online forms na ipapasa dun sa ating mga learners, and gagamitin ng learners yung kanyang at Caraga na account. So yung gagamitin natin na account is at garaga.deped.gov.ph. Nakuha ko ba? Another thing also, for that tenant, kumbaga, is dyan nyo po i-install yung license sa Microsoft 365 na install sa inyong laptop. Some of teachers, not some, but most of the teachers, disregard yung value ng Microsoft 365. Binayaran po ito ng DepEd license. It is a privilege for us to use. So still some teachers are still using pirate Microsoft 365. License na po binigay sa atin ng DepEd, it is free, why not use it? Okay? So, nakuha po no? And then, yung isang account po natin is at deped.gov.ph that has recently, last year, na binigay sa atin. Because this tenant will set up a seamless communication from the CEO, RO, and division office. Mapapansin nyo, if the central office or the regional office release a link about a virtual meeting and then they require you to use your MS365, hindi pa rin kayo makapasok because you're using wrong tenant. Nakuha ko ba? So dapat, ang gamitin natin is yung tenant na at deped.gov.ph. Nakuha ko ba? So I hope you disseminate this to the teachers. No? Nandun po sa infographics din yung about sa information on the clarification of DepEd accounts. Hopefully, nakuha po natin ang difference ng dalawang accounts sa Microsoft 365. Okay? So, yung gagamitin po natin ngayon para sa ating communication, especially for those takers, no, yung nagtitake ng EdQuest, is at deped.gov.ph. Okay? Next one. So, all division personnel, both teaching and non-teaching, should use at deped.gov.ph when communicating with the main tenant. All communications from central office, regional, and division level will utilize at deped.gov.ph tenant for consistency and official correspondence. Okay? Now, sa lahat po ng nagtatanong kung saan po mag-log-in ng Microsoft 365, kasi ang dami talaga report na hindi kami makapasok, and then when they send the screenshot, yung Google interface yung sinesend sa akin, which is wrong. You will log in your MS365 account to portal.office.com. Once you log in, may makikita na po kayong dashboard at yun yung activated na yung inyong Microsoft 365. Okay? So again, dyan po kayo papasok sa portal.office.com. Next one. Now, clarification. Teaching and teaching, forgot your DepEd Google and DepEd Microsoft account password. Please make a request through SDO portal SourceSource. Okay. So, exemption lang, dun sa mga nakikinig ngayon, you can direct message me because I will reset it if it is required kasi gamit kayo ng mga regional trainings. Pero for those normal transactions lang, please lang request through SDO portal SourceSource. And some of the messages na re-receive ko sa Messenger is nandun sa spam, no? Ganun yun. So, hindi ko na nababasa minsan yung inyong mga messages. So, please, paki-inform na lang ating mga teachers in the field that once you want to request DepEd Google Reset Password and also the Microsoft 365 account reset password, doon na lang po tayo dun sa mag-request sa SDO portal SourceSource. Okay? Now, this will be the official, kumbaga, launch of our official Microsoft Teams. So, nagpalabas na po ako ng some information that will be memorized and hopefully masayad this week about our official MS Teams. No? The objective of implementing the 365 is to reduce the number of group chats by the division personnel of messenger platforms. Di ba napakaraming group chats natin? Dahil kayo, in other programs, LIS, EBIS, ano pang programs ng division personnel. But now, we will use this existing platform. That's why that's why it's consolidate updates of programs and projects of the Department of Education into single platform. So, ito na po yung ating official MS Teams. DepEd, SDO, Surigao del Sur, MS Team. So, under po dyan na team, may iba't ibang mga channels dyan. And dyan mga channels, dyan po namin i-upload yung mga updates, yung mga reports na pinapa-require po namin sa inyo para isahan lang platform. O sa pagganito na mga messenger, no? So, example, yung Enquest. Doon sa mayroong SDO, Surigao del Sur MS Teams, may channel doon na intended for Enquest. So, all the updates for Enquest, nandun yun. Pwede kayo mag-raise ng concern or mag-chat because the focal person of Enquest will reply to your concern. Ito. So, how to join? Okay, how to? So, please sign in to your Microsoft 365 through Teams app or portal.office.com. Again, ano po yung ating ilalagin for seamless communication? Yung tenant na may at tenant.co.ph. Okay? Wala yung at-karaga. Gagamit na kayong at-karaga kung classroom-based. Nakuha po? Then, go to Teams and search. Kung pintuha po nyo, okay, kung Surigao del Sur lang, mali po yung pupuntahan yung channel. So, ito po yung Teams, I mean. So, dapat kompleto po, DepEd-SDO Surigao del Sur, MS Teams, and then click Join Team. And then, dito sa picture, makikita nyo po yung mga different channels na nag-create po ng Division Office. So, time to time, mag-create niya ng mga channels na specific for certain program. So, meron na tayo dyan Career Guidance Program, Discipline Other ICT Updates. So, dyan na po palabas about sa announcement on the upcoming deliveries. And then, Information System, which is ginagamit ng Mr. Joe Dixon. And then, LRMS, NFCA 2024. So, lahat ng concerns sa NFCA, dyan po namin nilagay. And as well as, then lastly, the Enquest. Nandiyan po yung updates sa Enquest. So, later makita niyo po. Then, this is just an add-on update to you, no? For the DCPM 2022 delivery installation, no? So, there are 44 secondary schools who will receive the e-learning card that is composed of 46 laptops, 1 smart TV, and 2 routers, then 2 storage cards. Again, this is for learners, hindi po sa teachers. No? Baka kasi na pag paglabas po pag-deliver po sa inyo ng bagong recipe, yun yung mga nandun sa Lenso, nakita na po namin, ginagamit na po ng mga bata. No? Then nandun sa Lenso, mga master graduate, ginagamit yung laptop. Again, these laptops are intended for learners. Kasi may project naman yung DepEd, laptop for teachers. Okay? So, there are two elementary schools. Smart TV lang yung ma-receive, walang laptop. 55-inch na smart TV. And then, there are 24 schools, laptop for teachers. So every school, may 5 laptop na i-deliver, and then the school head will point out kung sino yung mga recipient doon sa school. Nakuha? The school head will not be the recipient. Hindi po recipient ng school head, ha? Hindi recipient. So wala dapat school head, ano? So, it is intended for teachers. Sir, what include KIC ako? You are included because teacher in charge ka. Kuha? So if your planteya is a teacher, principal one, hindi po kayo recipient. Intended po talaga yan sa teachers. Kuha po? Okay. 24 schools na. For third division. So for the next year, 2023 2024, no, kaso matingayin mo na delay. Because this project is way back of 2020. Recommended 2021, given na 2022, the solar process, kaya ngayon lang yung delivery. Note lang sa mga recipient schools, schools should not sign the delivery receipt and IAR until the delivery installation have been completed. No, please lang po. Do not sign documents until it is not finished, yung pag-deliver as well as yung pag-install ng papalit sa inyo. Okay? So this is gonna be a nice portal demo. Yan, ito na. MS platform. So once you join already to the Microsoft Teams, makita nyo. So sa Teams, may makita